Please listen if you have kidney problem. Very important message. I traveled to Warri last month, October. I visited my cousin. I find out that his mother-in-law was living with them because she had kidney problem. The two kidney was bad. She lives with them because the hospital she used for her diagnosis is closer. I got to know her. I knew what she was going through. I felt real pity for her. I recommended garden egg leaf for her. Today being Sunday, I called my cousin to find out about her condition. To my surprise, she was getting better. She can now go to the toilet on her own and no more diagnosis since she started taking the garden egg leaf. If you know anyone with kidney problem, this is what they need to do. First, get garden egg leaf. Second, boil the leaf. Third, allow it to cool. Fourth, drink the water morning, afternoon, and night. The result is amazing. Ẹjọ́ ẹ má fi ṣeré, very important. Àìsàn kò ní fi ara wa ṣe ibùgbé.